Good morning from a very cold and chilly Dorking station with 377-102 behind me, and today I'm going to be riding the both brand new Class 701 and older Class 455 with South Western Railway. The correct lanyard is on with, would you believe it, the correct, key guard, and the train is coming in about 6 minutes. I am freezing cold, so I need to somehow warm myself up for one, and two, that would probably be best in the waiting shelter down there. The joys of filming in the middle of November. Great. So, I've got a nice blurred background today because it seems my phone has decided to learn how I want my videos to be. Yeah, so I've just had a look on Real Time Trains. It is at Box Hill and West Humble now. I hope I've got that right. I can never remember my station names on this line. But it's just coming in a few minutes. So first time on a 701. First time I've actually ever filmed a 701. So this will be fun. And my phone is very shaky because look how cold it is. It is freezing. It's like surface. Okay, that's announcing that. Yeah, it's not the warmest of days. But I suppose that's what happens when you film coming into winter. Is it winter? I don't think it is winter. Winter's next month. In December. Merry Christmas. Not yet. So yeah, our train is filling in a few minutes. Here we go. Brand new. Wow. Where that is quite significant because obviously the Class 455 rail tour is coming up very soon on the 21st December. No, unfortunately I didn't get tickets, so prepare for a chase video. And I do have some guests coming for that as well. And I've got to remember my camera's there, not over there. But these are some lovely views going through the Surrey Hills here, and that's a tunnel. So yeah, these are lovely trains, I can say, and that's a Southern train. So this is very, very fun. So we got our map and our carriage number, 1 of 10. Here in carriage 3. Indeed it is. We have our accessible toilet as well as flip down seats with, I must say, quite a lot of padding. We have more maps.
The next station is Ashton.
In coach 7 here we do have a lovely accessible toilet as well as some lovely more padded seats and a wheelchair bay. Not to mention as well a bike storage space. And then we do make our way to the back of the train. This is a very lovely station. It's a very large station as well. It's like 4 platforms and like the point work. I'll put a flash up on screen now to like track, see how it's all confusing, or Google Maps. I have to do Google Maps actually. Yeah, how it's all confusing, how like they all overlap each other. Right, it's very busy here, so I shouldn't really record. So we are now on the Southwestern only line, so Southern have gone off over there on the lines into Victoria. We're now on the Southwestern line into Waterloo. So these lines are supposed to be 455s until obviously the 455s go in December or early January at this point, because Southwestern.
The next station is Ewell West.
Thank you, Celia. So like I say, once that happens, then this line, as well as many others, will be run purely by 701s. So this, Guildford via Effingham, I think the Farnham Shuttle I might be, I'll have to double check that. But yeah, our next stop is Ewell East, I think. Hello, we've met a commuter, Matt, you said your name is.
It is, yeah, that's right.
So what do you think of these new trains?
Really good. The air conditioning's brilliant, and lots more space.
Yep.
Quieter, smoother, so yeah, what's not to like?
Nice, thank you very much. So coming into Clapham Junction now, haven't been here for a little while, doors are opening on this side, so I will stick my head out. There are some more 701s sat in the yard as well. So yeah, we're coming in obviously, like I say, to Clapham. These are very, very lovely trains. There's 158 going over there, coming out going at MTS Depot. So yeah, stick our head out and see what's going on at Clapham Junction. So welcome back to Dorking. Yeah, I say that. I was supposed to do my outro at Waterloo. Clearly not. Welcome back to Dorking, where I end today's video. So thank you so much for watching. 701037 behind me. Brilliant guard. Thank you to the guard on there. I'm not sure if you want your name mentioned, so nice meeting you if you are watching. And yes, welcome back to Dorking, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.